Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix CapCut videos not exporting easily. So what you're going to do here is if you want to export a video, like if you want to edit a video here and then you wanted to export this, but suddenly when you tap this export button above, then you will see this message like this. Okay, so it only means that you have included an effect or something here that is under Pro. So what you're going to do here is you have to join Pro in order for you to continue your exporting or get Pro for free by inviting friends and follow the instructions right here. But in case that you don't want to join Pro or you just don't like to get Pro for free, then what you're going to do is locate that effect that is under Pro and delete that one. So you have to delete that effect and then replace that with a basic version of effects or effects under basic version. Now, if you tap this export, then you can now export the video. But in case it still you see that error that you cannot export the video, that means you have a less storage on your device. So you have to delete some of your videos or anything or files here so that you can continue with your exporting. Once done, you can tap this if you want to lessen the resolution. And then after that, click export. So that's it. Basically, that's how you fix CapCut videos not exporting easily. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.